Good morning, children. Before we continue with the exercise, I left one sum in the 5.1 exercise. Just I'll discuss what you're supposed to do. So, sixth sum, 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3. Okay. So, your 2 square plus 3 square. What do you get here? 6 plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square. Okay. Here 12. 12 square is equal to 13 square. 4 square plus 5 square plus dash square is equal to 21 square. So how do you get this? Here 2 ones are 2. Here 3 twos are 6. 4 threes are 12. Okay? Here 5 fours are how much? 20. 20 square. So you'll get 21 square. So if you want 30, what you need to multiply? 6. 5 6 are 30. So 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. Okay. So here 6 square plus 7 square. So 6 into 7 how much? 42. 42 square. So next number you have to take plus, add 1 for this. 42 plus 1 how much? 43. It will be 43 square. Okay. You can complete this. Next, what you're supposed to do? We have to find the squares, square roots. So previous class we had find out the squares. Now we will find the square roots. To find the square root, we have different methods. So we can just, what we have to do? Find the square, So root will be the reverse of it, right? So we have 3 different methods to find out square roots. One is repeated subtraction method and prime factorization method and division method. Okay. So we'll find the square root through repeated subtraction method. So this is the symbol for square root. Okay. So we have to now, we have here 81. We need to find the square root of 81. So you have to take the odd numbers. 81 minus 1, 80. 80 minus 3, 77. 77 minus 5, 72. 72 minus 7, 65. So you have to go on subtracting the odd numbers until you get 0. Okay. Then count how many. So just if you put the numbers, there are 9. So square root of 81 is 9. So in which step you will get 0? So that step, till there you have to count it. Instead of counting, just if you write the numbers, it will be better. You'll get the final answer. So square root of 81 will be 9. And next we have what? Factorization method. So factorization method, you have to use prime numbers only. You cannot use any other composite numbers. Okay. So we'll discuss it one by one. So next, exercise 5.3. First 2 means I'll just discuss what you're supposed to do. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of the following? So in the previous class, I told you if you have 1, what could be the possible ones digit? If you have 1, what could be the number? 1 or 9. Okay? 1 or 9. So when you have 6, it will be 4 or 6 because 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36. Okay. Once again you have got here 1. So it can be 1 or 9. So you have 5 in the units digit. So its square root will end up with 5 only. Okay. So when you have 5, it will end with 5 itself. Got it? So when you have 1, it can be 1 or 9. Its square root can be end with 1 or 9. If it has 6, then its square root can end with 4 or 6. Got it? Next, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. So here 3 is there. You know the rule. A square number always ends either with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So 3, it is ending with 3. Correct? So it is not a perfect square. Now, this number is ending with 7. So it is also not a perfect square because it is not ending with any other numbers like 0, 1, 4, 6, 5, 7, not 7, 9. So we have 8. So perfect square numbers. It will not end with 8. So it is not a perfect square. Then we have here 1. So surely a number, if it ends, not all the numbers, perfect square numbers, if it ends with 1, then it is a perfect square. So which are surely not perfect squares means 408, 257 and 153. So these are the 3 numbers which are not perfect squares. So next, find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. So you don't do it quickly, do it with patience. Okay, so we'll see how to do it. So first we will take the number 100. Okay, so first one, 100 minus 1, how much? 99. 2, 99 minus 3, how much? 96. 96 minus 5, how much? 91. 4, 91 minus 7, how much? 86. 5, 86 minus 9, how much? 77. 6, 77 minus 11, how much? 66. 7, 66 minus 13, 6 minus 3, how much? 3. 6 minus 1, 53. 8, 53 minus 15, 48. 48 or 38? 4 minus 1, 38. 9. 38 minus 17, how much? 8 minus 7 is 1. Somewhere I might have gone wrong. Here it is 67. 7 minus, no, 7 only. 66. 53. 8. 4 minus 1, 3. 38 minus 17. 8 minus 7 is 1. 28. 21. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Should be 10. Somewhere I might have gone wrong. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 minus 3, 96. 96 minus 5, 91. 91 means here, gone wrong here. 8, no, 86 only. 86. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. It is not 86. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. It is 84. Okay, I've gone wrong here. So 84 minus 9, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 5. 75. So 75 minus 11. 5, 6. It will be 4. 64. 64 minus 13 will be 51. 51 minus 15. 2, 3, 4, 5. 36. 36 minus 9. It will be 19. So 19 minus 19, it is equal to 0. So there are 10. So therefore, square root of 100 is equal to 10. Okay, that is why I told you So simplification is here very, very important. Next we have 169. So first one, 169 minus 1, 168. Second, 168 minus 3, 165. So 165 minus 5, it will be 160. Fourth one, 160 minus 7, 153. 5, 153 minus 9, 147. 144. Okay. Sixth, 144 minus 11, it will be 133. So 133 minus 13, 120. 8. 120 minus 15, 105. 9. 105 minus 17, 98. 10. 198 minus 19. 19, how much you'll get? 8 minus 9, 1. 9. Okay. 8 minus 1, 79. 11. 79 minus 21. 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 2. 558. 12. 58 minus 23. How much? 25. 35. So once again, I have gone wrong somewhere. Here it is 88. 88 minus 19, 69. So 69 minus 21 is 48. 48 minus 23. 25. 13. So 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So therefore square root of 169 is equal to 13. So this is how you find out the square roots using repeated subtraction method. So if you go wrong with one somewhere else at one point, then whole sum goes wrong. So you need to be very, very careful. So next we'll pass on to prime factorization method. So I told you, you should know, you should be perfect with the tables. Okay. So first number is 400. You have to use prime numbers itself. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 50s are 2 25s are 25 doesn't go with 2. So next you have to, when you get 25, 5 means you take with 5 only. 5 5s are. Okay. Then group 2 2. So take ones. Then you can write square root of 400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. So 10 4s are, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. This will be the answer. Okay. So whatever I have left out, you have to do it. So 4096, next number, 4096. When you get even numbers, start with 2 itself. 2 2s are, take the 0 as it is. 2 4s are 8. 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 0, you take it as it is. 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 1 carry, 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 16s are. So I'll take 16 over here. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. Group 2 2. Don't take the 16 here. So 2 2 2 2 2 2. How many 2s are there? Then square root of 4096 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 means 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So like this you have to do it. Okay, next 7 4 4. 7 7 4 4. You have 2 only, you take start with 2 itself. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 9s are 2 3s are 2 6s are. Okay, 2 8s are 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 121 will get. As soon as you get 121, you should strike to your mind, you have to take 11. So 11s are. Okay, group 2 2 2 2 2 11. So square root of 7744 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So 8 11 8s are 88. Okay, next 5929. Listen, 5929. So when you get 9 here, so can you just try it with 3 if it is possible. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 2 carry, 9s are 27, 2 3s are 19. It doesn't go with 3. Okay, you can check with the divisibility test. So I'll take with 7 or 11. 11 5s are 55. 11 3s are 33. 11 9s are. 11 5s are 55. Count 11 4s are 11 9s are. So 7 7s are. Okay. So you should know the square root of prime numbers also. Therefore, square root of 5929 is equal to 11 into 7 is equal to 77. Okay. You have to do it like this. Next. Very important, I'll show with this 92016. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are. 1 doesn't go. So 0, 2 3s are. 2 8s are. Okay. So the number if it doesn't divide, you have to put 0. If you don't put 0 over here, then whole sum goes wrong. 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are. 2 5s are, 2 7s are, 2 6s are. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. 2 7s are, 2 2s are. 2 3s are, 2 6s are. 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 2 9s are. So when you get 9, you have to take 3. So group it. Okay. Then square root of 9216 is equal to 2 into 2, 1 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 2s into 3. How much? 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Okay, you have to do it clearly. So next, 8100. So 2 4s are, 1 doesn't go, 0 2 5s are. 2 2s are 0, 2 2s are 2 5s are. When you get 5, start with 5. 5 4s are, 2 doesn't go, 0 2, 5 5s are. 5 8s are, 5 1s are. Okay, you need to be very careful. So next you can go with 3. 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. Okay, group it. So square root of 8100 is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. So 2 5s are 10, 10 into 9. So it will be 90. Hope it's clear. So whatever problem I have left, you have to do it on your own from the exercise. I'll send the PDF here. So first I'll send the questions, then I'll send the whatever I have worked out. Once you get the textbook, I'll stop sending the PDF. Okay? Thank you.